back to another amazing episode of UCA News. I'm Eloise.
I'm Zane, and make sure to tune in to find out everything going on at UCA.
Starting off with announcements for this week. This Friday is a teacher workday, which means you can have it off. But if you're behind, it is an amazing time to catch up.
Everyone should be at 50% completion on Thursday. We're halfway through the semester. It's midterm already.
Another spooky announcement is that the pumpkin carving contest Padlet is up and running. Make sure to submit your awesome pumpkins at uca.school/pumpkin for Halloween. Speaking of Halloween, did you know that it's next Tuesday?
I didn't know. It's crazy how it seems like this month flew by. Let's go straight to our first segment.
Fact of the week. Ba-da-da. Did you know the Earth's atmosphere had 5 layers? The troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and finally the exosphere.
Did you know about this crazy fact about the sky?
Learning facts like that really gets me excited to learn more.
It really does. And I think we have just a thing for us. Up next, this week's learning tip, brain breaks.
For the last several weeks, we have been sharing tips that you can use to take your learning to the next level. So far, we have talked about taking notes, setting up a schedule, and using our website. This week, we are going to talk about taking brain breaks.
I know what you're thinking. How does taking brain breaks help your learning? Taking breaks is an important part of the learning process. Your brain needs a break from learning just like you. You should plan on taking breaks, but only after you've been working for a set amount of time.
The amount of time you work between brain breaks will change based on your age. For example, our kindergartner and first grade students might work for 10 or 15 minutes between taking a brain break.
And our seniors might be able to work for 45 minutes to an hour before needing a brain break.
Your learning coach can help you figure out how often you should take a brain break. Now, what should your brain breaks look like?
There are many things you can do to give your brain the break it deserves. You can get a snack.
You could also go for a short walk.
You could spend a few minutes stretching.
Don't forget to hydrate. You could also work on something creative, like painting.
Or playing with Legos, working on a novel, or drawing even.
And don't forget, you can also just sit back, close your eyes, and relax.
There are many different ways to take a brain break.
Add it to your daily routine.
That's an amazing idea. I can't believe I haven't been doing this the whole time. It's almost like magic.
Speaking of magic, we have a magical joke of the week coming up.
Why do musicians do so well in school? Because they are good at trick questions.
Wow, that must be why I'm so good at those.
Ha ha, very funny. Something that's also magical is science. Now for a magical segment of science with Gavin.
Welcome back to Minute of Science. For today's experiment, we are going to be keeping a paper towel dry underwater. So first, as you can see, we have a Tupperware filled with water that is getting these paper towels wet. But if you are to take a paper towel and bundle it up, you can put it inside of a cup, where when you bunch it down to the bottom, if you put the cup upside down and you can completely submerge it in the water while still keeping the paper towel dry. It's not at all wet. This works because the cup creates a pocket of air underneath the paper towel. Thank you for watching.
Wait, so you're telling me I can't clean up my messes with paper towels anymore?
You should still be able to use paper towels. Next up, we're going to look at some of our awesome clubs here at UCA. We need to shine some light on another awesome club here at UCA, the Math Club.
Are you a mathematician in the making, or do you just enjoy math? then the math club is for you. The math club is grades K through 6, and they meet every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Even if you aren't a huge enthusiast of math and just want some practice, it's still an awesome club to join. They make sure to mix math and gaming for an awesome time. Plus, you get to spend time with your friends and make new ones.
I did need to practice my math a bit more, so I'll definitely be checking out the math club out. Thank you all for joining us for this UC News episode. And make sure to tune in next week because we're
UCA!